Here the question, which of the following has no unit? Options A, modulus of rigidity, B, modulus of elasticity, C, bulk modulus, D, Poisson's ratio. Among these four, A, B and C have a particular unit. In SI unit, that is kilonewton per meter square. But in Poisson's ratio, which is represented by 1 by m, that is the ratio of both strain, lateral strain and longitudinal strain. We know strain is unitless because it is the ratio of two lengths. Here for lateral strain del d by d, and for longitudinal strain that is del L by L. So all have unit of length, hence those are cancelled. So the correct option is D, Poisson's ratio.